Kindness. Today, all of us can be beautiful physically, but if you want to be more beautiful, you need to have a kind heart because kindness is a thing that it can change the world. Hi everyone and mabuhay! This is Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz, your Miss International Queen Philippines 2025, and I'm inviting you all to witness grace, strength, and beauty on the global stage. Supportahan niyo po ako this September 20 for my international competition. Get ready to celebrate empowered voices, diverse stories, and queens who are ready to make a difference. Atin muling itayo ang bandera ng Pilipinas.
Philippines! Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz!